Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync Evernote across devices. The first thing I'd like you to do is to get your Evernote account set up. How do you do that? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get into the website, fill through the on-screen prompt to either sign in or to sign up. Now you sign in by logging into an existing account, and you sign up by creating a new account. Whichever one you choose, once you get into it successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. Now, if you want to sync your Evernote data across devices, here's what you should do. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of the screen and you're going to find your account. So click on your account and you're going to see all of these options. Now go ahead and click on settings. It's going to take you here where you have preferences, login and security, devices, connected apps, and personal info. Click on devices. Now, once you click on devices, you're going to see Evernote Web is your current device, right? So if you want to add a new device, you're going to see the sync option. Now, I'd like you to know that you will not be able to sync Evernote across devices if you're using the free option for Evernote. It means you have to subscribe to any of the paid versions. And once you subscribe to any of the paid versions and you get into this window, you're going to see sync devices. And once you click on that sync button, you're going to see the devices that you can sync it to, maybe your mobile phone. All right, so once you select your mobile phone, all you need to do is to enter the details, the login details that you use for they used to sign in using the web application. So enter the same details once you see your mobile phone or you see any device right here. Once you click on the sync button, enter the same login details to log in. And once you log in, you're going to see that the device that you selected will be automatically synced into this particular account. That way you've been able to sync your Evernote across your devices. That's pretty much how it works. Or let's say you're using your phone, a mobile phone, and you want to sync your data, that you want to sync your Evernote from your computer into your phone, mobile phone. So head over to your mobile phone and locate the devices section. And once you click on that, click on the sync button. Once you click on the sync button, it's going to sync. You're going to see your computer that you have logged in before. So select your computer and then enter the login details that you use to sign into your computer in your phone. And once you do that, your data is going to be synced automatically. That's pretty much the process. This is how you can sync Evernote across devices. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.